Hi everyone, this is Danna Cruzan with Alpha One Innovations. I am recording this video to show you how to attach browsers for each one of your clients. I work for many clients and I don't want to keep logging in and out of different accounts. I want to have a browser for each client, so this is a way to do that. So you want to be logged into your personal Gmail account. If you can see here, I'm logged into DL Cruzan. I'm not logged into my business account. So I'm going to go ahead and go down here and click add. Okay, so go ahead, you can name it here. So I'm going to name this my business. And I will just have on here things I log into to use my business. And so you can do it for your clients. So, you can put, whatever your client's name is here. And you choose a picture if you want to. And you don't want to, now go ahead and hit get started. And then I'm just going to skip all of these. I'm going to make a background. So when I go to this browser, I'll know that it's this person's. You can do this if you want to or not. And then you don't want to sync, because if you sync, that means you're going to be syncing everything on your client's account. So it will mess up their Chrome. So no thanks to sync. Okay, so now this is going to take me a few minutes to log into things because there's nothing saved here. So I'm going to have to log in from scratch. So I'm going to want my teamwork on here because I'm on my teamwork all day. Looking it up on my other screen. So I have the information to log in. I'll log in. And I could not work without dual screens. I have two 24-inch monitors and it's the best thing in the world. Log in. And I don't save here. I just close this. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and bookmark this. I'm going to call it teamwork. Done. Okay, now I'm going to log into Facebook. And I have my Facebook locked down, so hang on while I get this code off of my phone. I locked this down because I was having some issues with Cube. I had to change my password like every day, so I locked it all down. Okay, so now I'm going to bookmark this. And then I can log into, say, my Trello board. It's kind of a pain in the butt when you first get started because you have to have all your passwords, so you might want to have them handy because you will need them for the first time. After that, you won't need to. It'll remember everything. And of course, you have all of this for yourself already. I'm just doing this as a sample, but you would be doing this for all of your client stuff. And then I'm going to mark that. And then I can do Gmail. And of course, this would be your client's email that you would be logging into if you do monitor their email for them. And I have a G Suite account. And it's going to tell me my password is wrong because it did a few minutes ago. Okay, so I'm all signed into that, so I can go ahead and bookmark Gmail. And then I can log into my Buffer, which I would do for a client. I don't use Buffer too much personally. I use Social Bee. Got a really great deal on AppSumo one time, and I love it. But I'll log in just so you can see how it'll look. Now we'll close all of these. And so now here you can see everything that I have saved. I saved Teamwork, I saved Facebook, I saved Trello, and Gmail. So let me show you. So now this is all set up. So you can see here, these are all the ones I have set up. I have all of her things there. I have, see there's his little picture there. These are all the things I've saved for him. These are all the things I have saved for her. All the things I have saved for her. All the things I have saved for here. And see, so I keep these open, and let me move this down a little bit. So you can see they're all open down here. So I can switch back and forth between my clients throughout the day. It won't do the whole screen, so let me move back up here. And you see I can just click here. And boom, I'm in their Instagram account. I can click here and I'm in their Google My Business account. I can click here and I'm in their Gmail. Right, and then, oh, I get a phone call from Lee, and he goes, hey, can you check my email and tell me what this says? Boom, I'm in his email. Oh, can you go into my Facebook business page and add a post for me? Boom, I'm here. Oh, hey, can you go into my website and change something? It's taking a lot of time because it's recording. But anyhow, you get the idea. Oh, hey, can you get me a bit.ly link real quick? Boom. Everything is so easy and so fast. So that's how it works. So if you have any questions, let me know. And, you know, like I said, again, you can access them through here, or you can access them from, oh, what happened? Let me move this. You can access it from the bottom if you keep them open. So see, I can go from browser to browser to browser. Oh, you can't see. If I have both of these open, you can't see, but see, I can go from browser to browser to browser. And these are all my clients. So anyhow, hope that helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. This is in no way promoting myself or anything I do. This is just me sharing this with all of you to help you. Thanks a lot and have a great night. Bye.